Hey Zach, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you to show you three quick things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to you and your business. A lot of the people that I end up partnering with usually sit there and ask themselves, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? But oftentimes in the world of the internet, a lot of local business owners are way too busy running their own business to learn about the internet and know how it can benefit them. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who the expert is and who isn't. So I found that by giving people this free attack plan of actual things that they can do to their business to help bring in more customers to them for free, it's resulted in some of those local business owners throwing their hands up and saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you, so please do this for me. So if by the end of this video, you've liked what you've seen, you can see that I have a couple tricks up my sleeve to help bring in more business through internet marketing. You can give me a call and we could chat about how we can partner together. Or if you just want to take this information and run with it, then by all means, please do so. So first off, wanted to start off with content. And in order to be optimized by Google, you guys need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. You guys have a really nice site. But I did a word count and you guys have only 1,094 words. So beating a lot of your competition, your number one competitor has only 756. So you are beating them in content, but still want to hit that 1,500 mark in order to be optimized in Google's eyes. So next, wanted to talk to you about the map pack and citations. And so we call this here the NAPs. So what it is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And so you're probably asking, how do you get ranked in the map packs? And I like to use a tool called WhiteSpark. And what White does is show you how many citations you guys have pointing back to your site. And when I say citations, I mean the NAP on the internet. So the name of your business, the address, and the phone number spread throughout the internet pointing back to your website. So you guys are right here, After Hours Plumbing. So you guys have 18 citations pointing back to your site, and your number one competition has 38. So want to have at least 100 to 200 more than your number one competition in order to be beating them by a landslide. So what I like about WhiteSpark is you can actually click here on View Sources, and it'll lay out all of Plumber Pro Service and Drains citations, and you can just go in, put your NAP in that website, and basically steal that citation for yourself. So again, want to have at least 100 to 200 more than your competition. And so the last thing that I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks. And that is also very important in Google's eyes. And so we like to call that link juice. And so looking here, we see that you guys aren't number one in the organic listings. This is a directory. So the number one organic listing is here. And so this is where you want to be. And to do that, you need a lot of link juice. So link juice, simply put, is site A is pointing to site B. And therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more than that. You need to have relevant sites pointing back to your website. So you guys are plumbers, so you need to have plumber related websites that point back to you, and not more so like a Pizza Hut pointing back to you, because you guys aren't really slinging pizzas for a living. So the more relative sites you have pointing back to you, the more link juice you will have. And so doing a quick search on the tool I like to use, Ahrefs. You guys, I put your website name in there, and you guys have 13 backlinks pointing back to you. So a little bit of link juice there, but your number one competitor has 794 backlinks. So a lot of link juice pointing back to their site. Still very beatable, but just need to use proper SEO techniques. So in closing, we went over content. Nice site you guys have, but still need to have at least 1,500 words on that front page to be optimized by Google. Then we went over citations, at least 100 to 200 more than your competition to be beating them by a landslide. And then backlinks, aka link juice. You need to have at least 100 to 200 more backlinks than your competition in order to be beating them, to be number one across Google. So If you like what you heard, you can take these strategies, implement them into your digital marketing strategy you have now, and I guarantee you'll be number one across Google. But if you want to take the most effective route and want to save yourself some time, then please give me a call. My number is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. And my number again is 678-661-5695. Looking forward to hearing from you and hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.